6.
Delta 2606, affirmative. You can climb and maintain 5,000 for that traffic.
Climb and turn 5,000, Delta 2606.
Okay, so they're able to climb just fine. They've got plenty of power on one engine.
We have that traffic in sight now, Delta 2606.
Okay, Delta 2606, quick fine. If you're able to maintain 4,000, that's fine. Contact approach on 128.5.
Okay, we'll go back down to 4,000, approach 128.5, Delta 2606.
All right, so she's still calling traffic for them. They've got an aircraft out there,
Delta
busy
2606
airspace.
emergency. We're about 4,300, descending down to 4,000. Speed 210 on a heading of 070, vectors back to return.
Delta 2606, okay, roger. State type approach requesting, and how long of a final you need?
Okay.
We'll probably need about a 15-ish mile final, and then we'd like the vectors for the ILS or visual 24 right. If we can turn in early, we'll let you know, but we just got to get set up for the approach still.
That's a checklist to do.
2606, roger. Expect visual approach runway 24 right, reduce speed to 180.
Okay, visual 18 right, reduce speed 180, Delta 2606.
2606, runway 24 right.
Sorry about that. 24 right and reducing speed 180, Delta 2606.
What's the other things that they're doing now? Because if they didn't have enough to do with all the communication and all the checklists, they also have to go in their iPad and they have to figure out their landing distance, their approach speeds. They're going to come in heavy. That means they're going to come in fast. You're not used to landing on one engine. You want to make sure that you don't make anything worse. And then you have to brief doing a single engine landing. Most single engine landings in aircraft like this are going to be a reduced flap setting. So instead of my final flaps, which would be 25 or 30 degrees, I'm going to land at 20 degrees. I'm also going to land a lot faster because I can't take 25 or 30 degrees of flaps. So I'm coming in faster than normal. I am in a 737, which already lands fast as it is. So I got to make sure I get enough runway ahead of me so I can come to a stop based on the weight I'm at. All of that gets done in the iPad. One of the pilots is flying. The other pilot is heads down, programming the approach into the computer on the airplane and making sure all that data is correct on the iPad and talking on the radio. So there's so much going on for this co-pilot.
2606, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound in Embraer above you, 5,000. Report traffic in sight. I'll turn them in front of you since you need a longer final.
Okay, searching for traffic, Delta 2606 emergency.
All right, she's back to saying emergency again. That's good.
Traffic inside Delta 2606 emergency.
Delta 2606, maintain visual separation. They'll be turning right base, turn to final.
Okay, maintain visual separation, and they'll be turning final, Delta 2606.
It's a nice clear day in LAX so they can look outside and maintain visual separation.